Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Trust Wallet with your secret phrase. It's a crucial process for accessing your digital assets, whether you're setting up a new device or recovering an existing wallet. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can securely regain control of your funds. Remember, your secret phrase is the key to everything, so keeping it safe is paramount. First things first, open up your Trust Wallet application on your phone. If you're new to the app, you'll see options to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Since we're logging in with a secret phrase, you'll want to select the I already have a wallet option. After that, simply agree to the terms of service and privacy policy to move forward.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. On another note, upgrade your home with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, you'll be prompted to choose the type of wallet you're recovering. For most users, selecting multi-coin wallet is the correct choice. This is where you'll carefully enter your 12-word secret phrase. Take your time and double-check every word for accuracy. The order and spelling are incredibly important, as even one mistake will prevent access to your funds. Once your secret phrase is correctly entered, the app will guide you to create a new passcode. This passcode adds an extra layer of security for daily access to your wallet. Choose a strong, memorable combination and confirm it. After this final step, your Trust Wallet will be fully recovered, and all your cryptocurrency assets will be visible and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.